Good morning, student. Now today we will start chapter 11, perimeter and area. Okay. Perimeter. What is perimeter? Outer boundary. Measurement of outer boundary is called perimeter. And area plane enclosed by any figure is called area. For example, here you see that a square. In a square, all sides are equal and corner angle of measurement 90 degree. Okay, understand? Now this is the outer boundary. Now measure of square is equal to perimeter of square is equal to, if move from here to here and last exact initial point, the distance from initial to final point, okay, is called perimeter. Understand? Or we can say that sum of all sides is called perimeter. For square, perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side, because all sides of square are equal. Now plane enclosed by this figure is called its area. Now area of square is equal to side into side. Okay, unit is square unit. Okay, now rectangle. Here you see in rectangle opposite sides are equal. Okay, this side equal to this side and this side equal to this side. Corner angle of measurement 90 degree. This is length and this is breadth. Okay. Now perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2L plus P unit. Okay. 2 bracket by length plus. How we get it? We add all sides, L, V, L, V, we get 2L and 2V. Now we take 2 as common, L plus V, perimeter. Okay. Now area of rectangle is equal to L into V, square unit. L multiplied by V. Okay. Now we start exercise 11.1, question number 1. Given length of rectangular piece is equal to 500 meter and breadth of rectangular piece 300 meter. Okay. Now find the area. You know that area of rectangular piece, L into B. Here L is equal to 500 meter and breadth is equal to 300 meter. 15 meter square. Understand? Now second thing, to find cost of land. Cost of land is equal to area of land multiplied by cost of land per meter square. Cost of land per meter square. How much area? 1,50,000 meter square. Multiply by 10,000. Okay. Now we get rupees 5,000 and 40. Okay, 448 more. Okay, this is the cost of land. Understand? Now question number 2. Given perimeter of square park 320 meter, to find area park. Okay. Here given perimeter of park is equal to 4 into side is equal to how much? 320 meter. Okay. In this question, first we find side of the park from perimeter. Okay. Now side is equal to 320 meter divided by 4, 80 meter. Understand? Now area of park is equal to side into side, 80 meter into 80 meter square. This is the area of park. Understand? Now in question number 4 given perimeter of rectangular sheet 100 centimeter. Okay, and length of sheet 35 centimeter. Now to find breadth and area of sheet, first we find breadth. Okay, perimeter of a rectangular sheet is equal to how much? 2L plus B is equal to 100 centimeter. Understand? Now we to put the value of length 35 plus B is equal to 100 centimeter. 50. Now 35 plus B is equal to 50. B is equal to 50 minus 35. 50 minus 35. How much? 15 centimeter. Okay. Now area of sheet, a rectangular sheet is equal to L into B, 35 into 15. How much? 525 centimeter square. This is the right answer. Okay. Question number 6. A wire is in the shape of rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. Okay. If same wire is rebent in the shape of a square, what will be the measure of each side? Also find which shape enclosed more area. Okay. Understand? Now in this case, perimeter of rectangle is equal to perimeter of square. Okay. Given length of rectangle 40 centimeter and breadth 22 centimeter. Understand? Now here you see that perimeter of rectangle 2l plus b and perimeter of square 4 into side. Now we put the value of L and B here. 40 plus 22 is equal to 4 into side. 2 into 62, 4 into side. Now side is equal to 2 into 62 divided by 4. 2 to the 4, 31. 31 centimeter. Okay? Understand? Now, we find the area of rectangle and area of square. Area of rectangle L into B, 40 into 22, 880 centimeter square. Okay, and area of square side into side. Now we will have 31 into 31. We get how much? Now we multiply here 31, 31, 31, 3, 9, 961. 961 centimeter square or 961 centimeter. Here you see that square have more area than rectangle. Okay. Now question number 8, to find cost of whitewashing. Okay, that's how whitewashing this. Dimension of door given L 2 meter, depth 1 meter, and dimension of wall length 4.5 meter, breadth 3.6 meter. Okay. Understand? Now we start. Okay. First we find the area for whitewashing. Required area of whitewashing is equal to area of wall with door minus area of door. Okay, understand? Now 4L into B minus L into B, 4.5, 3.6, how much? 2 into 1. Okay, when we multiply it, we get 16.20. Now we check here, 3.6, 6 5 is 30, 6 4 is 24, 27, 3 5 is 15, 4 is 12, 13, 0, 2, 6, 1, 16.20. Okay, minus 2, 14.20. Okay. Now cost of whitewashing. Cost of whitewashing is equal to area required area into cost per meter square. 14.20 multiplied with rupees 20. We get 4 rupees 284 is the required answer. Okay. Thank you, student.